The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
There is a fielder at cover.
Edged, but it's trickled away for 4. Unlucky for the bowler.
बाय द वे जूपी लूडो पे आप ₹1 से लूडो खेलकर लाखों
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is a beautiful shot. It's a strong area.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
The ball had off to the boundary. See you later written all over it. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That's hit straight to the fielder.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
Bowled him. What a good delivery that is.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.